Most people know about ChatGPT or Jasper, but there's a whole world of AI tools out there that can help you build income streams with minimal effort. Let's dive into 10 lesser-known AI tools that are quietly making people money on autopilot. First up is Durable. This tool can create full websites in under a minute using AI. Imagine flipping these websites for $300 to $500 each without needing any coding skills or design experience. It's a straightforward way for side hustlers to generate income by simply building and reselling. Next, we have Do Not Pay. This innovative tool assists users in fighting parking tickets, canceling subscriptions, and managing legal tasks. Creators can earn affiliate commissions by promoting it, and some even offer document preparation services powered by Do Not Pay. It's a win-win for both users and creators. Moving on to 11 Labs, which allows you to create AI voiceovers, audio ads, or even narration for YouTube videos. You can sell these finished products or use them to build a faceless YouTube channel, tapping into the growing demand for quality audio content. Then there's Pictory. This tool transforms blog posts or scripts into full AI-generated videos. Many users are leveraging Pictory to create YouTube content, social media reels, and even short-form video services, making it a versatile asset for content creators. Copy.ai is another powerful tool that helps you write emails, add copy, or website blurbs. Freelancers are using it to sell their services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. In fact, one freelancer has reported making over $3,000 a month just by selling copy generated through Copy.ai. Perplexity is designed to turn trending questions and searches into valuable content. Whether it's YouTube videos, blog posts, or newsletters, this tool focuses on fresh data, making it perfect for building SEO strategies or generating cash flow through newsletters. Midjourney is an AI image generation tool that can create stunning designs, product mockups, and printable wall art. Many users are selling these creations on platforms like Etsy and Gumroad, allowing for a hands-off income stream once everything is set up. Notion AI combines the power of Notion's templates with AI writing and planning capabilities. This allows users to sell pre-built planners, journals, or business dashboards. These digital products require low effort to create but can yield high profit margins. Leonardo AI excels in high-quality image generation, perfect for product covers, social media graphics, and branding materials. Freelancers are using it to create comprehensive branding kits, logo packs, and cover images, enhancing their service offerings. Finally, we can't forget about ChatGPT. It remains a powerhouse for automating content calendars and creating detailed product outlines. ChatGPT is capable of handling up to 80% of the work for many solopreneurs, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to streamline their business operations. AI isn't just a tool. It's a business partner that can help you generate income without requiring extensive technical skills. By selecting just 2 or 3 of these tools, testing them out, and building simple offers around them, you can start your journey toward financial independence.